Mytre's kitchen. So today we are going to do an interesting recipe especially for egg lovers. Always people like street food, but we always wonder how do we do at home. So here is a very simple recipe which is our egg kebab. To do our egg kebab, these are the ingredients that is required. Please watch out the ingredients. I have taken chopped onions, small numbers 4, along with garlic, ginger, green chili, onion wedges paste, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 3 boiled eggs which should be shredded, 1 tablespoon of butter, little coriander leaves followed with a tomato puree. So these are the ingredients that is required to do our interesting egg kebab. So watch out the step-by-step video. So friends, you can find our egg is nicely shredded, the boiled egg is nicely shredded. In this I am going to add our ginger, garlic, green chili and onion paste. As per the spiciness, I am going to add 3 tablespoons of this. So followed with this we are going to add a list of spices. So we are starting with our turmeric powder. I am going to add 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder, tablespoon of chili powder because we have already added green chili, so be cautious. Spoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1/4 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 chaat masala, followed with the required amount of salt. So mix all this well. I have added all the spice powder. Along with this I am going to add 2 tablespoons of corn flour so that it binds well. Mix all this finely either by using a spatula or your hand, and we need to make small balls. You can find our balls, the egg kebabs are ready to be fried. So I am going to take one by one and we are going to keep the flame in low medium and start cooking the egg kebab. Friends, you can find our kebab is into a golden brown. It's so yummy. When you're frying it, you can fry it only with oil or you can add a tablespoon of butter. I've added a very small tablespoon of butter along with oil and it's nicely fried, and other set is already fried. So the kebabs are mouth watering. So next we'll see what is the next step. The kebab is ready. Now the next step is I'm using the same pan which has got butter and oil. In that pan we are going to add our chopped onions. I'm adding a very small tablespoon of butter so that it gives a nice taste. So now we are going to add the chopped small medium size onion. So fry it nicely. Friends, you can find our onion is nicely cooked. It's very transparent. At this stage we are going to add the paste which we had already added for our kebab. The ginger, garlic, onion and green chili paste. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the same, followed with the required amount of salt. Mix everything fine. Adding 1 tablespoon of chili powder, followed with the required amount of water. I'm going to add half a glass of water and let the raw smell all go. Then our kebab will be ready to be served hot. Friends, you can find our gravy is ready to be served. I'm just garnishing with a very small amount of coriander leaves and we can have it displayed. You can find our gravy is ready, followed with our kebabs which is nicely in a golden color. It's nicely fried. So our egg kebab is ready to be served along with pav buns. So you can add our cooked egg kebabs into our gravy. And as said, you can have it with our pav buns hot. So our street food